Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall system apps on iOS 26. That option is only available in the European Union, although it depends on which app you want to uninstall. Because you can see here I have only the apps that will automatically installed once I set up the phone, and I think the apps like Tips, for example, can be uninstalled everywhere. Press and hold on it, then remove app, and then click on delete app and delete, and it's basically done. Then for things like some other apps like calculator, I think calculator cannot be uninstalled outside of the European Union, but within the European Union you can simply press and hold on it, then click on remove app, then delete app. And if you want to reinstall it, then simply go to the App Store, but also App Store can be uninstalled. But to uninstall App Store, you'll need to have a different marketplace downloaded first, and if you want to download a different marketplace, then you can watch a video on our channel on how to install Fortnite on iPhone, because on that video I'm explaining like how to get a different marketplace that lets you download Fortnite off of it. So that may be helpful, and then you'll be able to press and hold on App Store and click on remove app, because now if I do it, then it won't do anything, honestly. Now another thing to mention is that settings and the phone app cannot be uninstalled. Besides that, everything else can. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.